Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to remove duplicates in an array. Here we have a given array. In this there is 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. So how can we remove and only take a simple array in which there is no duplicates present, only it will return 1 2 and 3. Okay, so how can we find? So first of all, please just understand what we are going to do. Okay, for removing that array, we are going to first of all we are going to check if first element is not equals to its second index element. Okay, so our first thing is that we are going to check this. Okay, if we check this. If it will present, then it will go to next index and next index. If it will not present, okay, if there is a unique element, means if there is one, after that there is two. Okay, if there is two, okay, then we should print we should add on the next index. Means if at the zeroth index we have our first element 1. Okay, and second index we want at second index we are going to print that unique element. Okay, so first is we are checking, after that we are printing, and at last we are returning the length of that array. Okay, so how can we do? So now first of all I am going to take simply an initial item, means I am taking I0. So it is very simple, it is the initial element of whatever you're thinking that initial element, it is an initial element. Okay, so it is an initial element. After that we are going, as always, we are going to traverse that array. So we are starting it with 1. Okay, we are going to not equals to, we are going to array dot length, then array j plus plus. Okay, so we have traversed that array. Okay, after that what we can do now is first of all, at first time I said that the first step is going to check. Okay, how we check? So we are applying a condition, as always. For checking we are using if condition. If array of I is not equals to array of j. Now you are going to say that, sir, we are not taking array I. Okay, so it's the first value we have taken, array I equals to 0. So here we are checking only the zeroth index is not equals to 1. Okay, just j initial value is 1 and I initial value is 0. So we are checking just zeroth index value and first index value. So for that we are use that. Okay, after that if it is they are not equals to, okay, then at the place of I plus 1 we are putting the of j. Okay, so why should we take I plus 1? So if I am checking at the zeroth index and j is present at the first index. Okay, so I'm comparing with the zeroth index element. Okay, so I can't be able to put here, because if I am going to put the element at this position, so where we can put this particular index element? Okay, so that's why we are using I plus 1. It will place that element just after that index. Okay, so you have understand. So we are just after putting the element just after that index, and every time it will I plus plus, because every time we are not comparing with 0, we are comparing with 1 also, and it will become 2, then it will become, when it will become 2, it will become 3, 4, 5, and so on. It will always rotating and rotating. Okay, so through that type we are going to bring, and after that we want to return what we want to return, I plus 1. So it will return the length. Okay, it should return the length. Okay, so here we are going to print our array. So through that, okay, through that we are going to remove the elements, duplicate elements in that. Okay, so now onwards, what we can do, we have one doubt: what happen if the length of an array is 0? So for that, we initially at first position we are going to discuss, declare that if arr dot length equals to 0, then it automatically return 0. Okay, so it will automatically return 0. Now we are only removing the element from this. So it's the basic scenario how we remove the duplicate element. So it is the basic question. If you understand this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting problem solving videos. Thank you.